Today's lesson is the fifth lesson in chapter 3. Use compensation to add. What we're going to do today, we will solve questions like these questions. We will use something called compensation to add. Okay, so to start, my heroes, please open your books page.
128.
Yes, Hassan, that's right. 128. So go ahead, everyone, open your books, page 128.
Okay. Open the page.
Okay. Before we start, my heroes, I want to start with you with something that we call... Oh, I should use another color. This one is better. Decade numbers. Okay, I'll tell you the first three numbers and you should continue. 10, 20, 30. Continue. Continue, my heroes.
40.
Excellent.
50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100.
Excellent. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, and so on. These are decade numbers. Today's lesson is how to add, but we will add in a smart way. We'll do this in a smart way. We need decade numbers for today. As you know, when you add anything to 10 or 20 or 30, say 30, if you add to 30, it's easy. But if you are adding to 28, it's not easy. So 30 is easier. So these numbers, we use them because they are easy to add to these numbers. Okay, now let's see in this page we have an example. Let's see it. And to show you this example, I will use this page. Okay, let me check. It's the same? Yes, it's the same. 23 plus 48. So, what we're going to do now, we will use compensation to add.
Teacher, what page?
What page? Just a second, Abbas. 128. 128. So, we use compensation to add, and we will take ones from one of the addend to make the other addend a decade number. Do you remember decade numbers? Okay, again. Which is easier to make it a decade number, the 23 or the 48? Which is near to decade number?
48.
48. We need only 2 to get to 50. To reach 50, we need 2. So we will take these 2 from the other addend. So we take 2 from the 23. Okay, listen, mute your mic. So we take 2 from the 23 and add it to the other addend. Give it to the other addend to make it a decade number. So let's do this. So 23 plus 48, we will take 2 from 23 and we will give these 2 to the 48. So again, my heroes, what we did, we take 2 from here. There were 2 here, remember? And we put them here. That's what we did till now. Okay, why are we doing
2
this?
plus 2 equals
Oh
4.
no, Hassan, mute your mic. My hearers, do not use your mic. Hassan, mute your mic.
Teacher, can you
Malik, mute your
read
mic.
it from start?
Mute your mic.
Okay, teacher. Can you please?
So, my hearers, why are we taking 2 from the first errand and add it to the second errand? Malik, you'll get a note. Malik, mute your mic. Malik Anas,
Yes.
mute your mic.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, we are doing this to make the 48 a decade number. No. So, now subtract 2 from the first errand and add it to the second one. In this case, the first errand will be 23 minus 2 is 21. And 48 plus 2 equals 50. Now, 50, this is a decade number. It's easy to add to 50. Okay, let's add 21 plus 50. 21 plus 50 equals 71.
71.
My hero, do not use your mic. So, 23 plus 48 is the same, so it's 71 also. So the answer is 71. The sum is 71. Okay, let's go back to the book to see these questions. And let's start with the first one.
Teacher, can you repeat, please? I just
Okay.
joined.
Okay, Malik. Continue with us, and through these questions, you will understand what we're doing. Okay, Malik?
Okay, teacher.
Ibrahim Al-Abdal?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we have here 5 plus 59. We need to use compensation to add.
Okay.
So, which one of the two add-ins is near to a decade number?
59.
59. So, we will. How much do we need to add to 59?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. So we need to put here plus 1. So we take 1 from the 5 and
Yeah.
give it to the 59. So we take 1 minus 1 from the
Minus
55
1.
and give this
Then
one.
plus 1. Plus 1.
Okay. Now 5 minus 1.
5 minus 1 equals 4.
And 59 plus 1.
59 plus 60 is 9
So
plus
now
9. 60
4 plus 60,
then 64.
64. Okay, thank you, Ibrahim. Great work, my hero. And again, my heroes, what we are doing, just adding in a smart way. We need to get a decade number to make it easy to add. Okay, Malik. Malik?
Teacher, what mean get number?
10, 20, 30, and so on. These numbers are easy to add. For example, if you are adding to 50 or 60, or if you are adding to 50, it's easy. But in this question, if you are adding to 60, it's easy. But if you are adding to 59, it's more difficult. Right? So it's easier to add to 60. Okay, now,
Yes.
you solve with me the next question to make sure that you understand. Which one of the two numbers that we have we can make a decade number easier. 37 is near to a decade number or 16?
16.
Okay, both of them. You can make the 16. How much do you need, or how many do you need to make it 20?
I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 1 and 2.
Okay, my hero. Here we need 1, 2, 3 to make this decade number. And for the other one, we need 4. So it's better to make this a decade number. So make 37, make it 40. So we need 3, so we add here 3. From where we get this 3, we take it from the 16. So again, my hero, what we're doing, we will take 3, 1, 2, 3 from here, and give it to...
I'll put it here.
Yes. Why are we doing this? To make the 37 be 40.
It will be 23.
23? No.
Yes.
37. We need 3 to make it 40.
Yes.
Okay. Now, take the 3 from the 16. (16 minus 3).
16 minus 3.
Just take the 3 here in the model.
Oh, okay.
We have 10, 11, 12, 13.
13.
Now, we need to add 40 plus 13.
Okay, 4 plus 1, 5. And 3. And 0, 3 also.
So,
53.
53. So the answer is 53. The sum is 53. Okay, thank you, Malik. Okay, my heroes, when you finish writing, I want you to try to solve questions 3 and 4. Is there anyone writing?
No.
Okay, questions 3 and 4.
I don't finish.
Okay.
Yes.
Try to solve questions 3 and 4. If you miss anything, you can watch the video.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, my heroes. Now, everyone, please focus with me. Everyone, focus with me, my heroes. 52 plus 19. So we should think which one of these two is near to a decade number or near to 10. We can make this 60,
19.
but we need 8 to make it 60. We can make this 20, but we need 1, so this one is better. So make the 19, make it 20. Take 1 from the 52 and give it to the 19 to make it 20. So we take 1 from the 52 and give it to the 19. So the 19 now is 20. That's what we need. And now 52 minus 1 equals 51. So it's easy for us to find 51 plus 20. This is very easy. 51 plus 20, 1 plus 0 equals 1. 5 plus 2, 7. Very easy, 71. Okay, let's see the next one. Ali Al-Amir.
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead. Which
I
one?
take it 7.
You need 7, and for the other one you need.
2.
So which one is better?
2.
Okay, so we take 2 from the 43 and give it to the 8. So we take 2 from here
Yes.
and give it to the other addend. Okay, so we take 2 minus 2 and to the 8 we add these two. Go ahead.
33. 43.
43 minus 2?
41.
And of course 8 plus 2 equals 10. So 41 plus 10.
10. 51.
Yes, thank you, Ali. Great work, my hero. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Okay, try to solve questions 5 and 6 by yourselves.
Teacher, I finished 5 and 6. I already knew.
Okay, just raise your hand, Khalid. Hassan Al-Haji?
Yes, teacher. Teacher.
Ibrahim, please mute your mic. Hassan? How many
Yes, teacher.
do we need to add to 26 to make it a 10?
Say again.
We need 4 to make it 30. How many do we need to add to 35 to make it a 10? To make it 40, I mean.
What?
Oh no, we need 5. So you can add 4 to the 26 and you can add 5 to the 35. So the better here is adding 4 to the 26. Right?
Yes.
So we add 4 to the 26 and we take these 4 from the 35.
Yes.
Okay, now 26 plus 4 is
26 plus 4 equals 30.
and take these 4 from the 35.
31.
It will be 31. Okay, 30 plus 31
equals 61.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, now my heroes, I want someone to explain question number 6. I will not answer. I want someone to explain to us question number 6. If you can, please raise your hand. Yes, Abbas?
We don't take 5.
Okay, we take the less. Which one is near to a decade number? 26 or 35? 26 needs 4 only. 26? Oh, you're asking about question number 6? Okay, let's explain one more. Abdullah Saleh?
Can I do number 6?
Of course, Abdullah, go ahead.
68
Mhm.
plus 2
Plus
will
2,
be
excellent.
70.
To make it?
70.
Okay, and we will take these 2 from the 15. It will be?
30.
Wow, you are a star. Now, 70 plus 13?
83.
Wow, I like how you explain. Thank you, my hero. Good work, Abdullah.
Thank you.
Okay, my heroes, any problems?
No.
Don't finish.
Okay, quickly, my hero.
No problem.
I don't finish, teacher.
In the next question, we need to show 2 different ways to use compensation to find 25 plus 17. So it's the same numbers, but we will do this in 2 different ways. So simply, the first way, you will make the 25 a 10. In the second way, you will make the 17 a 10. Okay, let's start with the first one. Kinan?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay, go ahead.
25 plus 17 equals 2. I add here 3 in 17, and in 25 I minus 1.
No,
Plus minus
you should minus the same number, 3.
3.
Okay.
Minus.
Yeah. 53 minus
25 minus 3.
25 minus 3 equals 22.
And 17 plus 3.
Equals 22.
Oh, what?
20.
Yes, this is a decade number. Okay, now 22 plus 20.
22 plus 20 equals 42.
Excellent, thank you, Kenan. And let's move to the next one to make this another way. Abdulaziz Al-Mughnim.
Yes?
Okay, Abdulaziz, your Kenan, he made the 17 a decade number. Now you should make the 25 a decade number. What is the decade number of after 25? It's 30, right?
Yes.
So we need to make this 30.
Okay.
How many do you need to add?
5.
So we add here 5, and we should subtract here the same number, which is 5. So
5.
now we need 17 minus 5.
2.
You mean 12?
12. Yes.
Okay. Now the last step, 30 plus 12.
32.
32.
Yes.
0 plus 2 is 2. And in tens, we have 3 tens and 1 tens.
Yes.
3 tens and 1 10. So how many tens?
Three is since the
3
2
plus
is
1. 3 plus 1.
4.
So the answer is 42. Okay, thank you, Abdulaziz. And my heroes, as you can see, we get the same answer. Yes, Malik?
Teacher, we changed the end only.
Yes, we are changing the addend. We take from one of the two addends and give the other to make it a decade number, to make it a 10.
The sum is the same sum.
Of course,
42
because it's the
and
same addends.
The another is 42.
Yes, so this is another way to solve it. So we have two ways to solve this. Okay, my heroes, is there error writing?
No. No, teacher.
Okay, now my heroes, move to the next page. And we have this question. Let's see the question. You need 100 tickets for a prize. You have 79 and win 17 more. Do you have enough tickets for a prize? You need 100 tickets for a prize. You have 79 and you win 17 more. So we should use addition to find how many tickets do you have now. So we add 79 that you have plus the 17 that you won. And we can do this using compensation. 79, we can make it 80. It needs only 1 to be 80. So we will take the 1 from the 17 and give it to the 79 to make it 80. And take it from the 17, it will be 16. Now we need to add 80 plus 16. The answer is 96. So 79 plus 17 equals 96. Now compare 96 to the 100. 96 is bigger or smaller, greater than or less than 100? Of course, less than. So, do you have enough tickets for a prize? Do you have 100 tickets? You have less. So, the answer is yes or no? You have 96. This is less than 100. Okay.
No.
Now, my heroes, I'll send to you the link of the game. Any problems? Any questions?